Want to split the cost of your Amazon purchases into 4 interest-free payments? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Klarna at the Amazon checkout. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. While you can't select Klarna directly on Amazon.com, there's a simple and official workaround using the Klarna browser extension or app. The best method is to install the free Klarna browser extension for Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once installed, log into your Klarna account through the extension. Now, simply shop on Amazon as you normally would. Add items to your cart and proceed to checkout. When you are on the payment page, the Klarna extension will automatically activate. A virtual Klarna card number will be generated. Copy this number and paste it into the Amazon payment field as your credit card. Amazon will process the payment through Klarna, which will then split the total into 4 payments for you. A crucial pro tip: ensure the Klarna extension is active and you are logged in. The extension will only generate a card number for the exact amount in your cart, and it must be used in a single transaction. This method also works on the Amazon mobile app by using the Copy to Amazon feature within the Klarna app. And just like that, you can enjoy the flexibility of Klarna on one of the world's largest shopping platforms. It's a seamless way to manage your budget on big purchases. What's the first thing you'd buy on Amazon using Klarna? Tell us in the comments. For another major retailer, subscribe for our next video on how to use Klarna for eBay purchases. Thanks for watching.